This is Queeny, and this is our boutique trailer edition. First and foremost, I want to give a big shout out to Raptor Wraps and Signs in Rogers. They did an absolute amazing job wrapping my trailer. So right now, I'm going to be starting on working on the walls and getting a quick drink and checking on my husband while he is installing the rest of our mini split for our trailer. That'll be another day for that tutorial. As you can see, all the designs are my wood. I find that the burning effect method works best for this. It's absolutely beautiful when it comes out to the end. So I went ahead and picked up this torch from Walmart and I went to town. After an hour of burning, this is the final result, and I am very happy I chose this method. I wanted to quickly share with you guys that this is the floor plan that I used with Copilot and my own ideas. I absolutely recommend 10/10. Right, we are moving on to the next project. We are putting together the industrial clothing racks for the inside of the trailer. I did purchase these from Amazon, and I'll link it down below. So big shout out to my husband, even though he works for $0 an hour. I truly appreciate him because this is coming out amazing. I did purchase this checkout stand from Amazon. I will link it down below. All right, I put up the brand light that's going by my checkout counter. And then I did pick up this really cute chandelier just to tie in the aesthetic. All right, you guys, so this is what we've gotten done so far. It is coming out so cute. All right, so the last thing I wanted to do was brand the cowboy prayer on the back flap of my trailer. Make sure you guys have your water and your heat-resistant gloves. It's very important. So this was my first time burning. I think I did an amazing job. That's just me. I like to just pump myself up. But I highly recommend that you guys watch some YouTube videos because I did not know that it takes 2 to 5 minutes per letter. So it did take me like an additional 2 days. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. We will be uploading our video at market for that final reveal. So thanks for watching.